Hello dears, my name's Paolo and I'm an English teacher and today's category is cooking.
Let's go live, cause we're legally stuck inside. Let's go live, and you cannot spell live without I.
I'm from Brazil, but my mother is Italian and I love Italian food. I have this book with many Italian recipes. Take a look. This is my favorite Italian recipe. Repeat. Recipe. This recipe is spaghetti with oil, garlic, and chili. Let's cook. For this recipe, we'll need 200 grams of spaghetti. Repeat. Spaghetti. A pinch of salt. Repeat. Salt. This is a pinch of salt. Repeat. Pinch of salt. 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Repeat. Olive oil. This is an olive. Repeat. Olive. This is olive oil. Repeat. Olive oil. I love olives. Olives are delicious. This is a tablespoon. Repeat. Tablespoon. And this is a teaspoon. Repeat. Teaspoon. Tablespoon, teaspoon. 2 cloves of garlic. Repeat. Garlic. This is a clove of garlic. Repeat. Clove of garlic. And this is a head of garlic. Repeat. Head of garlic. A pinch of chili flakes. Repeat. Chili flakes. This is a chili. Repeat. Chili. These are chili flakes. Repeat. Chili flakes. Chili flakes and chilies are hot. Very hot. Now, I love spaghetti. I love pasta. What are your favorite foods? So share with your classmates in your WhatsApp group, okay? See you next class.
We just went live. Holy shit, did it feel nice when we went live. So thanks for watching.